Here's the review of my brand new ITP Blackwater tires. But without further ado, here's a little demonstration of what they're capable of.
Charlie attempting to go for a launch. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, kids. No helmet. And that's it. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, there he goes. Well, let's see if he makes it back now. Yeah, he's gonna go back through where he came through. Boys and their toys in the sandbox. That's what it's all about. Yay!
What a difference from the stock tires. The stock tires being 26s, these being 28s. They're quiet. I ran them at 3 different pressures. I ran them at 15 psi, 11 psi, and ended up at 8 as per somebody's recommendation on the forum. And it really didn't matter. They were really, really quiet compared to the howling out of the original tires. The deep lugs, I was a little worried maybe in corners where they wouldn't grip sideways, but they do. I haven't tried them in mud yet because it was a frozen day, but I ran across some frozen ruts, high speed, low speed, and these things, it's almost like I have different suspension. And then, as you saw from the interactive video, they paddle through the snow very nicely, so as long as my belly pan didn't get high centered, these things just churned away, and I'm really liking them so far. So that's all I have to report for now, but extremely happy with these ITP Blackwater Evolutions. Thanks for listening.